Dozens of lifeless figures emerged from the scrap piles as the emergency button glowed red. The emergency stop button glowed red when my back was turned. I'd only been working the night shift for 3 weeks, but already I knew something was deeply wrong with this place. That first night, the machine hummed with unsettling force, vibrating through my bones like a dire warning. The following week, shadows danced at the edges of my vision, fleeting shapes skittering just out of sight. Tonight, though, tonight it shattered. I was alone in the yard checking inventory for the morning crew when the stop button flared red. No hands pressed it. No tools brushed against it. Just a sudden crimson flash. The machines groaned and shrieked as they powered down. The scrapyard fell silent except for my frantic breathing. That's when I saw them, dozens of shapes emerging from between the junk piles. Their movements jerky and unnatural, like puppets with severed strings. They advanced with purpose toward me, empty eye sockets reflecting the cold moonlight. I tried to run, but my feet felt rooted to the ground. The last thing I remember is the icy metal of a twisted guardrail against my throat, scraping deeper, deeper. Now my scream joins the chorus of bent steel and shrieking hydraulics that echoes across Scrapyard 7 at midnight.
Subscribe while you still can.